Well, hello everybody again. Ideally it should be Electric Eagles weekly, but it became Electric Eagles monthly. We didn't made any videos because we didn't have any progress. So by now we have some progress and we have something to show you. So let's go. And today is Wednesday, 15th of February when I'm recording this, and we have some good results. Let's see. So basically, let's start with simple thing as our updater tool. Let's have a look. So basically, you can see here it's Raspberry Pi connected with USB stick. That's wrong, USB stick. Shouldn't be that one. Raspberry Pi with USB stick, and I think I should show everything from beginning. So I connected USB stick to my computer. That one that we'll be using for update. And here you can see one perfect script, it's update USB stick. So basically it's in a tool, it will do an update for us. Just press enter, it just enters vendor ID and product ID. And here it generates our file. For example, here you can see an JSON that being generated by this tool. Time to connect USB stick. Time to connect USB stick. One more time. Yes. So basically now I'm launching update, and update is happening. So it waits a few seconds, unpacks, and sadly crashes. We have some doubles with our 7-zip format and its encryption, so we figure out, and then update tool will be work fine and smoothly. And one more thing that I'm currently doing right now is just turning our code in Rust to the library for one really good reason. Basically the reason is I'm using Hanami and I will be import our code as library and just run it there, so import function, and run this function here as a real time. So finally I managed to get it working. So what I do is make file, and I'm compiling all that stuff. So basically let me a little bit explain how it works. Basically you can see blah blah. You can see that it perfectly works. So I will be a little bit explain how it works. You can see many files there. The most important of them is gpio.h, libhanamite.c, and libgpio.a, and makefile. So it works quite easy. libhanamite and makefile is basic files that take responsibility for real-time stuff. The libgpio and gpio.h, it's our library that contains RP Electric Eagles code that been compiled together and now running real time. So yes, I've done it finally. Big congratulations. So p draw that. So we run binary and we can see hello from Rust in real time. This being written in Rust code and it's being work.